I no understand. Now me they introduce. Only my family members now they clap on the table. I take up beguna. Or go back again, go introduce myself. If you know say thunder no one fire you did night. Clap on me. Una go pretend as if so una like me, but me una know say I beg una. So I'll go back again. Respect yourself. Mona not let me first. I not just blame una. I will say rich one who do January work. I for don't leave comedy. By now I come here for sit down up. Now for the perform for me. But now because say my papa spoil the rich one. So I'll go back again, go introduce myself. So now go pretend like so now just by clap. So I'll go friend DJ. You know that song where they take the order champagne. That Domino, so the guy as he heard that song, now look me. Now this song frustrate your head up. No big pound Domino. And you hear that song, you shock. And you draw tattoo for her. When you newly come for Libya, now that song wreck you. And you never reach 2 weeks for Nigeria. My brother, you do, but you go back. See the way you might be like waiting there draw. No wish that is sad. Now I say no one collect the balance now. They don't pay you. The way the guy take talk, you know, he don't already there. They don't pay for the weirdo. Oh, she know. See, I see believe me. They know they hide themselves. Only all this one now they want if I will for upper. If they not see the fowl catch, they'll catch the fowl picky. Mama go come outside. You don't see your criminal brother only. Finally, they pursue you for Benin. Now, suddenly, you come be down. And your family have been saying my son is in Lagos. He's very well. DJ, bring it down. Mona no mommy. Now, so my joke, bro. I talk anyhow for a living. Now, so that they beat me anyhow. So if I go back again to introduce myself, on job by clap, scream. This side, may nobody friends because I never pay B. Because we wake una with water. This life not balance. Don't kill yourself because of anybody. Because if you die for somebody, the person go see call your burial, they complain. Say your burial today boring. Since we sit down here, they never give her a drink. I know the year now. She don't go care. I know the year. Wait. No, I know that. I bless her. They talk to myself. She don't go care. This life you need to make money. May your neighbor not buy television. Call they dash you the carton. You call the house and say, what I want is I do. Say no worry. If you dey cook, put your stove inside. Make breeze for not disturb her. This life now brain not let any. She don't go care. My papa say who dey wash not dey select toilet. Anyone wey there's one eye they use. Who don't say we are bad at it? Last say young man, show me the way. But no, this man, which person papa here? No, this man not be papa again. Go don't talk grandpapa. Which person grandpapa here lie? When I dey small pikin, the man early spoil my childhood. The man say Nigeria play India for football. India come win us 99-1. That person grandpapa e no go better for that man Jesus. E no go better for that man o. Say who score that our one goal? Whether na Samo Parashi, abi na Tesli Balogun. Who? Wait, I know that. I be like say na only me dey lie for. Una no hear that lie? Say Samo Parashi wan score the goal, now remove his boot. He sees to he kick am. As he score the goal, now he die. E no go better for that man. Now the same man still like say if toilet dey worry you, you never reach your house. Make you carry your saliva, use and rub your own. My brother, if you try your shit for body, you no go better for that man in Jesus name. That man dey lie o. DJ wait, the man dey provoke me. The year na the same man lie say if you go market, not bend down like this, look people from under, say spirit go conquer you. Since I dey do this thing for relay market, the man say you see people wey dey waka with head, I never see dey waka with ear. That man dey lie o. Now the same man still lie. Say if rain dey fall, sun dey shine, many elephants dey born. E no go better for that man in Jesus name. Now the same man still lie. Say for net dem no dey look mirror. Say if you look mirror you see spirit. That be say most of all these girls say dem be ogbanje. Because every minute una dey look, that man dey lie. The same man na still lie. Say if your right hand dey scratch you, your power. Many money wan come. Odukube since last month. This hand nothing I never take scratch am. Bone stone cover beer. I never see shark. E no go better for that man o. The man just pump. Na the same man still lie. Say if you wan comot for house, if you use left leg kick stone, go back. You use right leg, better go call. Thunder fire the man. Children of God, Kero. I know the young now. Let's discuss. I know the young now. Children of God, Kero. If you say now, let me do my life or in all life or now. Come, which one life or na area? What did the man talk on your area?
If we chop mango, come drink garri, belle go dey turn us.
DJ Brigga, this one na Indomie generation. Lie wey dem just lie we say here. You no fit remember one lie wey the man lie. Man tell you one now make you know. Na the man lie say the year open your ear wide so that you go tell people. If I dey lie, people wey dey here go tell me. The man lie o. Say dem no dey go school on Saturday. Say if you go na lizard go teach you. Every Saturday my house dey near school. I go dey peep for my window whether I see where lizard dey ride. That man dey lie o. Say if you see two fowl dey fight, make you shoot brew for ground. Say dem go fight die. You no go wait. If you say na only me. Oh, which one dey lie for you?
Say if you see two goat, dey if you knack nail for ground, say
this one na animal. Come wetin dey drink? As you dey drink so do us gold one favour. Write your address, put am for your front pocket, so that when you drunk we know where we go drop you. He no say goat, he say if you see two dog dey muke. For those of una wey know the road, after Ore you come dey enter pothole. So motor come enter pothole, breast come comot for the pikin mat. And the mama dey sleep. Small pikin never get sense. Enough fit hold breast put for a mat. So the pikin come dey struggle. So where I dey, I say good Samaritan, the woman dey sleep. I no know the kind dream wey she dey dream, so I no wan disturb her sleep. I say make I help the pikin carry breast put for a mama mat. I respect the breast o, na 2 hand I take hold am because the thing big. So as I hold the woman breast with 2 hand, e no quick me put am for the pikin mat. The mama wake up. Cause na me sit down near the woman. So the woman come see her breast from her. You know say everybody here na science. If you wake for sleep, you count like 20 seconds before your brain go start to come back. So the woman brain come back. I no leave the breast because my heart is pure. I no get something they say clear conscience fears no accusation. So I see you the breast with 2 hand. I no rush leave her because I no get battery. So the woman come see the breast on my hand. She come shock say what? I say sorry ma. I see all am o. Say excuse me, what is my breast? I will say the pikin don dey talk. If I tell mama say no mommy, this guy no mean any harm. Na me wey wan help. He no said me if you see beat wey dem beat me before Jebu they beat me like who thief breast o. Abeg wetin I do na bad thing abi na good thing? Una no dey communicate.